Okay, so here we're going to take a look at finding the standard form equation of the hyperbola that has vertices at the given values 1, -2, and 1, 8, and foci at 1, -10, and 1, 16. Right, so this one is going to be centered off the origin. Okay, so again, always start with our coordinate axis, right? Let's plot where these points are going to be, right? So vertices at 1, -2. So that's one vertex, and then 1, 8, so somewhere here. And then our foci, foci are at 1, -10, and 1, 16. So that's somewhere up here. All right, so those are our foci. Okay, so here we have our transverse axes. It's going to be this value right here. Okay, and again, to find the distance, so the transverse axis is always 2a here, and then the ending point, right? So top here, which is 8, minus the bottom, which is -2. 10. Drop the absolute value since it is positive. 2a, divide by 2, and we get a is equal to 5. Okay, and c, so right away we can find the center here, right? So if this is a, the center is going to be 5 back. Okay, so here, the center being 1, 3. Okay, all right. So that means now we have the center, right? It's going to help me plot in my equation, right? So center 1, 3, and now I can find the value for C, right? Which is going to help me find the value for B, right? So the value for C, right, top here, so that's going to be 16 minus 3. So C is going to be 13. All right. Okay, so now C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. So we get 13 squared, which is 169. A squared is 25 plus B squared. Let's do a little arithmetic here. 169 minus 25. We get 144 is equal to B squared, which means B is going to be 12. All right, and if we wanted to, we can find the covertices, right? 12 over here this way, that would be at 13, right? And then 12 units to the left of it, right? If we were looking for that. Here I think we're just asked for the equation, so let's go ahead and find that here. Okay, so our value for A is 5, so 5 squared is 25, right, along the transverse. And since it opens vertically, we'll have y minus 3 squared, x minus 1 squared, and then here we'll have 144, 12 squared. And as always, equal to 1. All right, and that's how we would find the equation of a hyperbola that is not centered at the origin, right, off the origin. All right, all the steps are the same. Really, it's just kind of calculating these distances that'll help me find A, B, and C. All right, thank you.